Yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? That's Damien from the Monkeys YouTube channel. Mini on the other side of the camera today, just to remind you as I'm still here. And today we are at the front of the Enea Stadium, which is Lech Poznan Stadium. And there is the food court, actually food truck festival. So you can find some interesting cuisine of the food truck style from all around the world, little bit like an Asian street food markets, but this one is in Poznan, in Poland.
Let's explore what they are selling here. In the middle, actually, people are chilling. Oh, kalmari. Kuchnia gruzinska. What is gruzinska? Georgian food. Ah, nice. Kochanie, what is this here? Kielbasa, how they grill it.
Very nice shashlik, very nice and very big. Nothing like Asian style. This one is European style. It's big.
I know. So big. And look at the kiwi. We are in the Enea Stadium actually. So today is the food truck festival in Poznan. Oh, there are so many nice things, sweet. And here is a very long. I can see so many food vendors, food truck vendors. American food, Mexican food like this. Yes. I feel like coming back to the night market, Asian night market. Huh?
Malaysia especially and Thailand, right?
Tak.
Yeah.
Churros, Mexican.
Almost like Taman Konan, but smaller, huh?
Taman Konon to Malaysia. I see. Fritki, Zapikangka. Nice. Smells of the food everywhere, kochanie. Let's see. All right. Oh, look at this truck, so big. This one is the Enea Stadium, especially Lech Poznan, tak kochanie?
Tak, but very interesting thing. As Robert Lewandowski career started actually in Lech Poznan before he moved to Germany.
I see.
Before he started playing in different bigger clubs. So it's actually very interesting, and this is his picture when he was like 19 years old or 21 or something like that.
Nice.
Cool. And that's the Enea Stadium, which is Lech Poznan Stadium, by the way.
Tak. And I think that here is the beer section. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Best alcohol. Oh. Told you, so many nice beers. Look at this truck. So big. What is this? American ski icon?
Yeah, that's the American icon. The Kenworth W900 Earth. Look at the size of this truck. It's just big. It's really big.
Wow. So huge. Look at this. Oh, so huge, kochanie.
Yeah, and it's also classical one. It's over 30 or 40 years old, by the way.
Ah, nice. Nice. So many burger. Kurchak. Chicken. What is it?
They have a pad thai if you want.
Ah, Asian food here as well, no? Burger, fritki. Zapikangka. The memory of the Asian street food market, kochani. Zapikangka, burrito, tacos, nachos. Oh, lemonade. Oh, this is kebab. Looks so nice. Burger. Nice. Burger. What is it? Pizza, zapikangka. The smell of the food. Salvadoran. What is this? Goronche, chaska, veggie. I don't know what it is. Oh. What is it, kochani? Pizza?
No, that's some sort of Hungarian food.
Hungarian
I will
food?
have to go to Budapest or something to find out what is it.
Okay.
Never been there, I don't know.
Kurczak. What is it? Another burger, no? And this one, lemonade, burger, fritki. Oh, look at the kiwi. Nice. And ice cream. Kurczak American school chicken, American chicken. Oh, this one ramen. Oh, interesting. I don't know what it is.
Which one I have said?
I have no idea. Salvadorian dish. I think this one is the most interesting one in the front of you. This one, I think. Oh. Nice. I keep walking and walking. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. What are you gonna buy?
French fries.
Okay,
As the
let's try.
snack.
Okay,
Before
let's
dinner?
go. Pack.
Okay, let's go. Sayang, what you got?
We decided to buy a fruitcake as our snack first, while wondering, around what we're gonna eat. And let's
Nice.
see.
They are Belgian fries, huh? Nice. Okay, let's go. A lot of stuff here. Different vibe, but still food truck vibe. So I was speaking last time with my friend Paddy. By the way, shout out to you, buddy. As we don't have a food courts like here, like street foods, but we have food trucks. So it's pretty the same thing, but different concept little bit. Actually, concept is the same, different execution, I could say.
Look at this small stall of lemonade. I feel like I wanna buy a lemonade. It looks like how they make it like in Asian, right, Kohani? I wanna buy one. Oh, this is how they make lemonade.
Nice. Fresh squeeze.
Fresh squeeze. Oh, with the handsome man making it. Nice. This with the mint, lemon, and sugar. Nice. Kohani, this is the vibe of the street food, right?
Yeah.
And I've got
A little bit like last time in the...
tak. And look at the lemonade. Fresh lemonade. Nice. Smacznego go.
No, special.
Well, what I can see here is the food truck festival like this is just like a fraction, right, Kohani? And then
It's not cheap.
it's not cheap. It's not as cheap as like the price in the restaurant. I think that if the price in the restaurant probably much cheaper, yeah?
The same or
Oh,
cheaper. That's the
yeah. Maybe because of this one is the attraction for the festival, something like that. Right. So that was the food truck festival in Poznan. My first impression is just like, it's nice. It reminds me like street food in Asia in general.
Yeah, just a little bit too small in my opinion, right? It could be a little bit more bigger variety and just bigger in general, especially as they have a room for that. But maybe it's just not as that famous and popular attraction as the in Asia, especially in Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam. This is like Indonesia.
Like street food.
Yeah, so this is something like it's just common there. Here it's more into attraction. However, was like equivalent of the kind of street food, right? So and I was appearing on today's video finally eventually because I am recently very busy, so I'm not that often on the videos. But if you have a time, you can watch over 1,300 or maybe even 1,500 videos already on my YouTube channel, on our YouTube channel. And that's it. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Maybe we're gonna go something. We will see. See ya. Take care.